How to create a group on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create a new group on Telegram. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon, and let's start with the process on how we can do it. So first of all, launch your Telegram app and make sure you have updated your app. After that, you'll be able to see your home screen after you have logged in using your login details. After logging in into your account, after seeing your home screen, you just need to head over to the menu bar at the top left. After going to the top left corner, you'll be able to see new group option very easily. You just need to tap on this new group option, and then you need to select the member that you want to add it into your group. So here you can add up to 2 lakh members in one group, so you may choose how many people that you want to add into your group. For now, I'm just gonna select 1 people. You may add how much people you want in your group. After that, simply tap on this blue icon at the bottom right, and then you may just name your group anything you want. After naming your group, you may also set it up like auto deleted messages. If you want to turn it off, you may just turn it off, otherwise keep it turned on. And after that, simply click on this right check mark, and after that your group should be successfully created. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.